It's pretty high.
Oh, Alright.
Don't fall.
Huh?
Don't fall. That's scary, isn't it?
Huh?
Huh?
Hang on.
What you doing?
I'm checking this line over here. Stop.
It held my weight. You're not that much heavier than me.
Not much. 60, 70 pounds heavier.
Come on, you won't be that far off the ground once you put all your weight on it.
Shut up.
Don't fall in the pool. You're only like a foot off the ground. Oh! Is it fun?
Yeah.
Hurt your hands?
No, a little bit.
Ah.